S'mores indoors? Hello, let me show you an alternative to making your traditional s'mores over a campfire. We'll be using an oven today. You'll also need graham crackers, marshmallows, and any type of chocolate. Prepare your s'more sandwich by first laying out the crackers. Then put a marshmallow on one cracker and chocolate on the other cracker. We're making 2 s'more sandwiches in this example. We will be using the broil option on your oven on low setting. Now put in your tray. When broiling, the broiler heating element is on the top of the oven. It only cooks one side. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes, and make sure to check on it or literally everything will burn. Sandwich them together and take a bite. Ooh, you'll need more than 2, that's for sure. Fun tip! We tried pushing our chocolate into the marshmallow before putting it in the oven with the cracker and made essentially a donut s'more, where the chocolate melted inside of the marshmallow. Pretty cool, right? Have fun, be safe, and feel free to follow me on social media for similar content. Bye for now!